one of my friend got has a very nice experience here. So he told me about the institute, and I was also talking to another institute. And what they did was they were not being truthful to me about the programs that they were offering. And I further researched myself on LinkedIn and Instagram and everywhere. So I got to know that the everything that they were providing, they were not really truthful to the students there. So, and also one of my friend who was already enrolled here talked to him, and the counselor that he also guided me. So it was like, this is a much better option for me to go ahead, and this would certainly, it has helped me in my journey so far.
Hi guys, I welcome you all to this video. Myself Rijit Khandwal. I am DA Meet Instructor at AccuJob Noida Center. So in this video, we have two candidates over here who are recently selected in Nielsen IQ as our junior analysts. So let's welcome Pragati and Ruby. So first of all, very much congratulations to both of you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, so I am going to ask few questions about your journey at AccuJob and how was your journey with the interview at the Nielsen IQ. So let's start with your interview process. So how was your interview process at Nielsen IQ?
So, as per my experience, it was a bit lengthy. There were 5 stages. First of all, there was this assessment. There was this first. It was assessment based on the Excel and everything that I knew, and then there was this aptitude test. Also, after the first Excel assessment, there was one AI interview schedule as well, and then there was this aptitude test. And after that, we were called on to the office, and there was first the GD, then there was the coding round, and then the last and the final step was face-to-face interview.
Okay, great. So Ruby, you had the same experience or some different rounds?
It was already same.
All the process was there.
Okay. Processes.
So this process was very much helpful to you, like when you were studying AccuJob. So you had mock sessions, you had contests, you had assignments. So did all these things help you in the interview process?
Yes, this all helps us to give interview there, and it was such a great experience there, and the HR were also good, and we had a test here, and we gave mock here, and mocks were very useful to us to give the interview, and these mocks help us to give interview, and with the help of mocks, we answer questions very smoothly, and this also helps very.
Okay, so I think these contest and mock sessions helped you a lot in your.
Yes, sir. Actually, the Excel assessment which we had, it was somewhat based on the contest which we were having.
Okay, take. Next thing I want to ask you, why did you choose this DA path as your career?
Okay. First of all, I have had a very roller coaster of a ride, because initially I was preparing for a government exam. I had given QPSC examination, and since I wasn't going anywhere in that path, it was like I'm giving pre and mains, and then again I was not able to qualify, so I gave 3 attempts, and thereafter I was like, I cannot go further with this, so I wanted to do something apart from that, and I have been working in Excel since my final year. I was working at an NGO organization where I have worked in Excel, and also I have done some freelance project on Excel. So my first inclination was doing this. Like, DA was obviously one of the first years, because it was easier for me to learn Excel and the other related modules.
So okay, great. What about you?
So during my graduation, I realized I like solving problems and do business-related problems also. And then I explored different career paths, and I found that the data analyst course that matched my interest. And then I explored different centers for this, who teaches good skills here. And then I found AccuJob, where I learned different skills like Excel, SQL, Power BI, and some Python. And then I realized that this is Abbas Boni. Then I chose DA.
So I want to know, like there are many centers in the market. Why did you choose only AccuJob?
So, first of all, I was looking, AccuJob, one of my friend has a very nice experience here. So he told me about the institute, and I was also talking to another institute. And what they did was they were not being truthful to me about the programs that they were offering. And I further researched myself on LinkedIn and Instagram and everywhere. So I got to know that everything that they were providing, they were not really truthful to the students there. So, and also one of my friend who was already enrolled here talked to him, and the counselor that he also guided me. So it was like, this is a much better option for me to go ahead, and this was certainly, it has helped me in my journey so far.
Okay, great. Ruby Potibab.
Here my friend suggested me that this is the best institute you can learn here, and then I beat her so much. So I enrolled here, and then I talked with my counselor. Mr. Sanskar was my counselor, and he was really good, and he guided me throughout the course, and he also told me that about the courses and the modules they had provided. And then I thought that it is the best, and I can learn here and go further with my future.
Okay, so my last question to both of you is, how was your overall journey with the AccuJob, like the teaching style and all the modules you have covered? So can you face any challenges, or it was a smooth ride for you?
For me, since I was completely transitioning my field, I had little experience in Excel, but overall I had no experience in SQL, Power BI or Python as such. So it was a little difficult, but the faculty here and everyone really supported me. I approached myself to Rajat sir, Hardik sir every now and then, at even Orca portal itself. They were really helpful, and it really helped me a lot.
Yes.
Firstly, when I enrolled in this course, I was a little confused about how I was learning this skills. Then Nitin sir helped me a lot about the courses, and they helped me about the topics which I had given in the classes, and after this, I was being taught by you, and you helped me a lot after the classes, and you guided me also, and you make me understand about the topics and tell me about the things, and so that's why my journey was overall the best, amazing year.
Okay, lastly, I will congratulating both again, when very heartiest congratulations. And so guys, keep learning, keep growing. At the end, it's all your efforts which matters. So we will come back with more success stories. Thank you very much.